Hello and welcome to Uncle Buck's Garage. Today, I've got a very special thing to share with you guys, okay? Now, I've been wanting something like this for a long time, decades, and it's finally happened, and let me show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Aluminum Chevrolet big block heads. Now, I had these sent to me by a company, FLASHARK, okay? And I've been looking these things over real close. And I can't find anything really wrong with them except for the box that this one came in. And I'll show it to you closer, but it's got a corner bink right here. That's the only blemish on any of these. But the box that it came in was beat up. I mean, you know, delivery companies are delivery companies, all right? And I'm not going to say which one it was, but I mean, it is what it is. I mean, they're packed very well. They're packed completely surrounded with styrofoam and packing stuff, but it looks like it was dropped. What are you going to do? Okay. There isn't anything to do. Okay. But it isn't anything that's going to hurt the performance or the seal on this. Okay. But let me just get in here. I want to show these things to you. Well, the first thing is, I don't know if you noticed, they're square ports. All right. They are absolutely air flowing monsters. These things are cavernous. Hello, low, low, low. I mean, all right. The big valves, you know, smaller CC chambers, and I'll get a whole printout of it, of everything, but everything is like inside these ports. You can see everything, each port is exactly the same. There's no differentiating. The angle job for the cut is beautiful for the seats, intake and exhaust. And there is no matter where you feel, there is no lumps. There is no sharp spots. There's no bumps. It's smooth. Intake and exhaust. I mean, there's nothing to have to work here. Now, I will say, if you wanted to, you could polish these out. But they weren't polished, but the cast irons weren't polished out from the factory. I mean, these things are, they're big. And they come like this. They come bare, all machined, and, you know, new guides and everything. And, I mean, they're just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Exhausts are just as cavernous. And you see the way the guides look right here? Okay. They're all the same height, the same length. Everything is machined. I mean, and they're just gorgeous. I'm just in awe. This is something I've wanted forever. So, you know, I've got a block right here, and I've got the one in the machine shop right now about to get assembled. So I think we're ready to rock. Now, one thing I do want to say about these is that I do have a code. It'll be flashing right here somewhere about right now. And it's for 15% off of the purchase. And these are about $480 or $420 a piece, something like that. So you can save some dollars by using the code. Now, that code is for the whole website, for FLASHARK's whole, just not for the heads and just not for the headers that I had a month ago. That code is website wide. So anything that you would want to buy off of the FLASHARK website is available for 15% off with my code. Okay. So that's a plus. Okay. The other thing is that I'm just so, this is a dream come true for me, guys. I've been dreaming about aluminum big block heads forever, you know, and they just always seemed like they were out of my reach price wise. And this is not that issue. These are great. These are absolutely great. I'm gonna buy the valves and the springs and lull retainers, everything that's needed for it. I already have the guide plates and everything. I'm going to have Big Steve put them together at B&A Engine Works, which that is the main sponsor of this channel, and their information will be linked down below. This is just, I don't know if I'm blushing or beaming or whatever it is, but I mean, I'm just so happy. I'm so happy, and I'm really looking forward to taking them down to Steve to let him put them together. And yeah, plan is do what I can to Bam-A-Lam now, but then the motor that these are going on is going in it eventually, because I really want to enjoy these. These are going to make tons of power. Tons and tons of power. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Smash that button. Hit that bell to tell you when new things come out. I usually do things like this on Sundays. Is like the parts and the pieces and the things that companies send me. So y'all have a great day, because a great day today could be aluminum big block cylinder heads in the morning. So if you want to see my best little video ever made, right here. If you want to see the one that they say is best for you, is right there. Y'all be good.